What is up everyone, watching TNWS channel, and in this video I will show you how you can boost FPS and fix lag for PUBG Mobile in Windows 11. So before starting video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix lag and boost FPS in Windows 11, first of all simply you just need to open this PC and then follow your step as I'm showing you in this video. That's all for this video. Hope so this will fix your lag. So just don't forget to subscribe and thank you for watching.